So real quick, I just want to share with you um, what I've done here. So remember, this is the um, buck resistor. My power's coming in here from my transformer. It goes out here, goes into a distribution block, and all my lights will go onto here. So I come to one point on my layout, and everything will come to this point. I tested it, works good, and that's all you needed to do was power in, power out, going into the power for the distribution block, and that's it. Mounted it all on a board. My distribution block comes with these little spacers, which work good, and I only put two on there, two on there. So I had some left over from the other distribution block that's using for my turnouts. But yeah, and I'll mount this underneath somewhere. I'm just going to leave it this length for now, I think, so that I can bridge it between something, and then I'll screw it on, and so I can remove it on and off. But yeah, it worked, and I'm really happy with how I'm going to manage my light situation. I just ran some lights to my little office, and that works well. And yep, all's good, man. This little update for the lights. Buck resistor distribution block. Power in, power out to the block, and then the lights will, there's a plus side, there's a minus side, and a plus side. And I'm using, on the distribution block, is just a and B. I'm using B for black, just to keep track of that sort of thing. But yeah, happy with it. And again, if I can do this type of stuff, you can. You just need to think about it a little bit. But you can do it. I have faith in you.